Last year, April, May, I was diagnosed with severe anxiety disorder and I was almost on the verge of depression. And I think it's happening again. Yeah, you didn't see that coming, did you? To be honest, I don't know if I'll even release this video because it's too painful and too personal to even talk about. Have you guys seen that movie Inside Out? उसमें Riley के ना islands बताए गए हैं. Like she has this family island, goofy island, etc. Right? I also have a few pillars, which I'm sure आप लोगों के भी होंगे. But here are my pillars: money, family, love/relationship, work, and not just work, good work, work that leads to growth. And the last one is personal goals. And right now, all of my pillars are down. I'm not doing so well financially. Work में बहुत ऐसी कोई crazy opportunity नहीं आई है बहुत time से. Dating में तो क्या ही बताओ guys. इतनी disappointment, इतने बार heartbreak हो चुका है ना. अब ना मैंने उम्मीद ही छोड़ दी है. The only thing that is saving me from going into complete depression is family, because उसमें मौका है and he is a bundle of joy. And of course, my parents are very supportive and I have a very good sister. But apart from that, I have stopped finding joy in anything. I don't enjoy reading books anymore. TV is boring. Creating videos and editing is my passion, and passion doesn't pay the bills, guys. You need money, you need opportunities, you need to feel that you're growing, and it's just not happening since a very long time. Oh my god, my makeup is ruined. And to top it all off, content creation is a work from home job, so I don't have a lot of friends and it's getting really lonely. Can't stop crying. I need to stop crying to form just a single sentence. Okay. I've been taking therapy and my anxiety medication since 2024 March, and I did get better. But with someone who has an anxiety tendency, I think मेरी life में अभी जो कुछ भी हो रहा है वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा upset कर रहा है. I've been sleeping a lot lately because मुझे reality face नहीं करनी है. कुछ idea आता है कि इसको shoot करूँ तो बस मन करता है just like क्या ही फायदा है. It's anyways not going to work. And I know that this is dangerous territory. And I think I'm glad that I'm able to recognize that things may go really downhill from here before they actually go downhill. But this time around, things are going to be different. I need to get my shit together, which basically looks like something like this. No, I'm not talking about the outfit and the makeup. Today, I just wanted to be in bed. I wanted to cry. I just wanted to do nothing. I wanted to eat bars and bars of chocolate and just go in my own shell. But if I did do that, I would let anxiety win, and this time that's not happening. So I got up, I shot this video, I did my makeup, and now I'm heading for my shoot. I actually already feel 1% better. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for listening to my story. And for the next few weeks, I am going to get my shit together and I'm going to take you along with me.